Welcome grade 3 to our new math class. This is our first math class for this week. We're still in unit 9, the time unit. Do you remember last class, last Thursday, we were talking about the time intervals or the duration or how long it takes. I mean, how long it takes the first class, how long it takes your break, how long it takes your swimming class. So we are going to practice some activity about the duration or the time intervals. I mean the time between a certain starting time and ending time. What's between them is called duration or time intervals or how long it takes. So I need you to open your student book page 126 and 127. Okay, to help us in this activity, I just give you a small part of our time system, but we are going to use which time system? Look to the numbers. Look to the numbers and tell me which time system we are going to use. The 12-hour system or the 24-hour time system? Which one? Okay, Miss Sarah, here we start the day from hour 0. Then we complete 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is nothing tell us whether it is AM or PM. And here this is 12, then after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Miss Sarah, this hours, I can't find it on our regular analog clock. It means we are in the 24-hour system. Very good. Yes, any hours before 12 or less than 12, it means we are in the AM. And any hour that's more than 12, like hour 14, hour 19, hour 23, it means we are during the PM. Okay, but on the 24-hour system, we don't say AM or PM. You will understand it from the time itself. Okay, here's the first page and here's the second page. And here is giving us, let us read together. You are putting together a timetable for TV programs for a day. Use the information below as a guide to what needs to be shown during the course of a day. You may need to add more programs. Programs start at 6. He doesn't tell me whether it is AM or PM, but we understand it is 06, no minutes, so it is 6 o'clock AM. So the programs start at 6. Programs finish at 1:30. Okay, 1:30. Also, they didn't tell me whether it's AM or PM. Okay, can you find 1 on your clock, an analog clock? Yes, it means we are in AM. And they didn't tell us AM or PM because they are using which time system? They are using the 24-hour system. Okay, some programs are given to us here. Then here's the schedule to put the programs, and we can add some programs. Okay, they start from 6 to 7:30. Children cartoons. Okay, how much it takes? It takes from 6 to 7, it is 1 hour. But it is 7 or 7:30, there is another 30. So the children's cartoons last for 1 hour and 30 minutes because it is from 6 to 7:30. From 6 to 7, 1 hour. And there's 7:30. Yes, so 1 hour and 30 minutes. And 30 minutes means half. So the children's cartoon will last on the channel for 1 hour and half. Then, I'm telling you that from 7:30 to 9:30, how many hours here? 30 and the 30, they are the same. So from 7 to 9, 2 hours. 2 hours for what? For the morning news. Okay? Yes, the morning news takes 2 hours, and it will start from 7:30 and ends up by 9:30. Next program will start from 9:30 to 10:30. It takes how many hours, or how long it takes? It takes 1 hour, because from 9:30 to 10:30, 30 and 30, they are the same. So from 9 to 10, 1 hour. So which show will take 1 hour? Children's program. Yes, from here he told me that the children's program will take 1 hour. Okay, the next program starts from 10:30 to 11:30. So 30 and 30, they are the same. From 10 to 11, 1 hour. So which program we will watch for 1 hour? Yes, the nature program. Then from 11:30 to 12. Oh, 11:30 and another 30 minutes. Make it 60 minutes the next hour. So from 11:30 to 12, only half an hour. So which program we can watch it only for half an hour? Take a look here. Which program will take half an hour or 30 minutes? Oh, serial 1. Yes, serial 1 will last for half an hour because it's from 11:30 and ends by 12. So only 30 minutes. Next, from 12 to 12:30, another program will take half an hour. What is this? It is Lazy Town cartoon for children. Very nice one. Lazy Town cartoon. Yes, it will take how much? From 12 to 12:30. So only 30 minutes. It means half an hour. What next? From 12:30 to 13. Can you find any hour called 13 on the analog? No. But on the 24-hour system, Miss Sarah, they are just keep counting from 0 up to 24. So after 12, it is 13. Okay, but this program will start by 12:30 and ends up by 13. So this program will last for only 30 minutes because I have here 30 minutes. If I put another 30 minutes, I will go to the next hour. So it is top 10 songs. Top 10 songs, it's a program that I added and it would last for 30 minutes. Then here, hour 13. And who can tell me hour 13? It means which hour on the 12-hour system? It is 1 p.m. Yes. So what we will watch now? Politics Today. Politics Today show will start by 13 o'clock and ends up by 14 o'clock. Next, we will watch today's film. Let's see here. Today's film will last for how many hours? For 2 hours. So from 14 to 15, this is 1 hour. And another hour from 15 to 16. So today's film will start by 14 o'clock and ends up by 16 o'clock. From 14 to 16, count in your hand. After 14, 15, 16. 2 fingers, it means 2 hours. Now, from hour 16 to hour 17, 1 hour, what we will watch? Okay, now it's time for evening news. Evening news will take only 1 hour, from 16 to 17. Next, we will watch a stand-up comedy show. It takes also 1 hour, from hour 17 to hour 18. Excuse me, can I ask you a question? Please tell me at what time, using the 12-hour system, the stand-up comedy show will end. Okay, stand-up comedy show will end by 18 o'clock. But Miss Sarah asked me to give her the time using the 12-hour system. Okay, 18 minus 12 equals 6. So stand-up comedy, Miss Sarah, will end by 6 p.m. Very good. Now, from hour 18 to hour 19, what we will watch? Okay, we have a program called Wildlife. And we can understand that this program will be a program that's talking about the wild animals in forest. Now, another show. Yes, from 19 to 20, this is 1 hour. We will watch two things here, Serial 2 and Late News. Let us see, Serial 2 will take 45 minutes. It means less than an hour. And the Late News also will take 15 minutes, less than an hour. Okay, 45 minutes and another 15 minutes, together they can make what? They can make 60 minutes. It means 1 hour. So from 19 o'clock to 20 o'clock, this is 1 hour. We will watch two things. Serial 2, we will watch it for 45 minutes from 19 o'clock to 19:45. And we will watch the Late News for 15 minutes from 19:45 to 20 o'clock. Now, next we will watch the late film. The late film will start by 20 o'clock. Okay, let us see here. The late film will last or takes 2 hours and 30 minutes. But here we start from 20 to 21. This is 1 hour. Let's take another hour. Late film also will complete the hour between 21 o'clock to 22 o'clock. But this is 2 hours only. We should take another 30 minutes. So can you see the hour that's 22 o'clock and 23 o'clock? We will take half an hour of it. Okay?